How to download TikTok videos without the watermark. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to download TikTok videos without the watermark. So let's get started. Now we know that we have a save option on TikTok. So when we're watching TikTok, we like a video, we can save it. When we save it, it has a watermark at the end. For example, if I want to save this video and if I go to this option right here and I click on save video, it will have a watermark at the end. So we don't want that and we want to download a video without it. So for that, you will actually have to use a third-party app and you just have to go to Google. So you have to search for Snaptic app, and if you search for it, and this is the option right here, we can download this one. So this is actually going to be a downloader for TikTok videos, and we will be able to download TikTok videos without the watermark using this app. So then how we download is that you just go to TikTok, and this time what you will do is you will actually go to this share button and then you'll copy the link for the TikTok video that you want to save. Now I have the link and I'll just go to my app that I have downloaded. It's really, very small app that you can download. It's just like few MBs and it allows you to download TikTok videos very easily with good quality. So now I can just copy the link of any video and then add it to my Snaptic, and then Snaptic will download it for me without the watermark, without the TikTok watermark, and I'll be able to download the videos, whatever video I want. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.